I'm super excited today because today we are picking up the motor for the 350Z. So the fact that it's 6:30 on a Saturday morning, it is not bothering me at all. Got to go into work for a few hours, and then when I get out, we'll be heading out for the motor. So for you guys, it'll be seconds. For me, it will be probably about 4 or 5 hours.
Good morning. Welcome to Night Stand. What can I get for you?
346 minutes later.
We're actually going to New Jersey during these difficult times. Actually, they got cleared a few days ago, so New Jersey should be all set for us to go. We are going to be wearing our mask, and yeah, trying to take some social distancing and then have some precautions. So Richie took my wheels. Look, he got J35 still in jack stands because he got some coolant leaking. Crooked ass hairline. Been here for fucking like 2 hours, still not out.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so now we're in New Jersey. We just pulled up to JDM Engine Depot. About to pick up the motor. I'm not gonna bring the camera in because we don't want to be all up in their face with a fucking camera. But we'll be right back. Look at that hairline. My boy Wes, Richie, myself, and we got ourselves the motor. 2JZ twin turbo. So we just left the JDM Depot. I don't know if you can see it, but we finally got the motor. 2JZ twin turbo. Out here with the homies driving back home. Now everybody get something to eat though. Look at this dude. Childish.
What happened? What'd you do?
Yeah, I broke my knee.
The next day.
So yes, we went with a 2JZ.
We're gonna refresh the whole motor basically. Make it new, make sure it stays reliable when it's in the car. But this is our first time working with a 2JZ. I myself am a rotary guy, so if you guys have any suggestions for these, any recommendations for parts or websites or stuff, please leave them in the comments below. We'll happily read them. You know, anything helps for us to get this thing running on the road as fast as possible.
Eventually.
So if you guys like this video and you guys are curious as to how the 2JZ build on the 350Z is gonna be, please subscribe, like, comment, do as you wish, and hit that little bell so you guys can get notifications when we upload. And I want to leave you guys with this quote. Remember, Michael Jordan said that some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, and others make it happen. So make sure that you guys make it happen today, tomorrow, anything you guys want. Just get it done. Go out and get it.
I built this